Greetings from Ajmal College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Hujai. Dear students, first of all, I would like to congratulate you on being the students of our college and welcome you to this prestigious institute. Ajmal College of Arts, Commerce and Science, which was established in 2010, has been able to attract students from almost across the state, and not only that, even beyond, from some neighboring states of Assam also. Every year we get a good number of students. All this has been possible because of the tireless effort made by our teachers, and along with that, the dedication and sincerity with which our students study. Every year we see our result getting better and better, and you have become a part of our mission. This means that you have chosen our college and you have made yourselves ready for coping yourselves with the situation, the rules and regulations that are prevalent here. You have your own aspirations, your own dreams. In the same way, your parents have dreams about you. We teachers also have huge dreams about you people. Our mission, our objective will be to take you to the higher and higher positions, and this can be done through a mechanism which is compared to a triangle, that your parents, you and we, these three types of people together will work, and then only we can get our result. So we will expect that you remain sincere in your study and you will work to fulfill your own dream, to fulfill the dream of your parents, to fulfill the dream of us. And you will find the teachers to be really very friendly and very dedicated and always ready to help you. It is all up to you how you respond to it, how you utilize your time, how you utilize the availability of the teachers and other services here. And our discipline is very strict. We want to make you disciplined, we want to make you fit for living life in this world, because in today's world there is competition everywhere. Wherever you go, you have to prove your worth, you have to prove that you are worth it, and to do that you have to be disciplined, you have to be knowledgeable, you have to be skilled, and we ensure that all these things are taken care of really well here. And one of the things that we give emphasis on is the English speaking. Some of you who are from vernacular medium schooling, from Bengali or Assamese medium schooling, may find it difficult. You may think that it is difficult to speak in English, it is difficult to understand English, it is difficult to communicate in English. This is not at all a difficult thing, just you have thought it to be difficult. Even I myself was from Bengali medium schooling. There are many people of our time who studied in vernacular medium schools, and in later years they have made themselves quite familiar, quite convenient to speak and use English. So initially there may be some difficulty, although we emphasize on communication in English. Initially we will give some relaxation, that you will be able to communicate in other languages for some days, but at the same time you will have to keep on trying to develop your ability to communicate in English, so that a time will come soon then when you will be able to use English in the same way as you can use your mother language. So we welcome you to this college, and these days our classes will be in online mode. You will get videos, you will get live classes, you all will have to attend it. No one knows what is going to happen next year, because this year and the last year also the whole world was paralyzed with pandemic of COVID-19. God forbid if the same thing happens again, then like this year Higher Secondary Council will determine your final result on the basis of your attendance, on the basis of your performance in the class, your result of the examination. So you have to take everything seriously, you have to attend your online classes seriously, you have to respond to the teachers, you have to submit your assignment, and when the classes will start in the college in the offline mode, at that time you have to come and you must not carry mobile with you at that time. When you come, you will come along with your parents, and we'll have some counseling sessions for you and your parents. In a nutshell, we cannot do a thing all alone. We want everyone's cooperation. Your readiness, your passion, your willingness and enthusiasm are very much needed, and the cooperation from your parents. Along with this, our relentless efforts, our teachers' continuous labor and their passion to help you develop your skills will together make the result happen. We wish you all the best, and once again welcome you to the college. With these few words, let me conclude my speech here. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.